welcome back to Brother and Sisters Learning Workshop with me, Udian, and today we have another guest. We have here Dashita.
Hi, I'm Dashita.
So today we'll be learning about Iowa. So, as you know, this is episode 15 out of a 50 video series on our channel, learning about each of the 50 states of the USA. So, let's go ahead and learn about Iowa. Okay, so now for the side segment of this video. As you know, today we're learning about Iowa. About Iowa. Iowa, a Midwestern U.S. state, sits between the Missouri and Mississippi rivers. It's known for its landscape of rolling plains and cornfields. Landmarks in the capital, Des Moines, include the gold-domed 19th century state capitol building, Papa John Sculpture Park, and the Des Moines Art Center. Noted for its contemporary collections, the city of Cedar Rapids Museum of Art has paintings by native Lowen Grant Wood. More about Iowa. The capital of Iowa is Des Moines. The population of Iowa is approximately 3.21 million people. This is the Iowan flag, and this is where it's located on the U.S. map. 5 fun facts about Iowa. Number 1. Iowa became the 29th state of the USA on December 28, 1846. Number 2. Iowa is the only state bordered by 2 navigable rivers, the Missouri River to the west and the Mississippi River to the east. Number 3. Iowa's nickname is the Hawkeye State. Number 4. Some major industries are agriculture, renewable energy, advanced manufacturing, services, information, communication technology. The abbreviation of Iowa is IA. Places to visit in Iowa. Number 1. Iowa City. A lively, cool, and youthful place, Iowa City is located in the east of the state, straddling the banks of the river of the same name. Home to the prestigious University of Iowa, much of life in the city revolves around its bustling campus and sizable student body. Lying at the heart of the Educational Institute is the pretty and prominent Iowa Old Capitol building, once the site of the state government before it's transferred to Des Moines. Near to the noteworthy National Historic Landmark are excellent natural history museums for visitors to check out, as well as some lovely riverside parks and walks. Places to visit in Iowa. Number 2. Des Moines. Iowa's capital and most populous city, Des Moines, lies in the center of the state on the banks of the river, after which it's named an intriguing mix of urban meets country. It is a lively yet laid-back place that acts as an important center of commerce and culture in the Midwest. Home to a number of excellent art and natural history museums, the city has some vibrant districts for visitors to explore. The East Village and Valley Junction, boasting brilliant boutiques and historic buildings, its standout site is undoubtedly the breathtaking state capitol building, which showcases some astounding architecture and gleaming gold leaf dome. While its beautiful botanical garden and sensational Papa John Sculpture Park are both well worth visiting, the city also has some great cultural events, festivals for visitors to enjoy. In the summer months, the Des Moines Farmer Market has lots of fresh produce, cheeses, wines to try, while the annual Iowa State Fair sees a lot of agricultural contests take place in the city. Places to visit in Iowa. Number 3. Cedar Rapids. The second largest city in Iowa, Cedar Rapids straddles the banks of the Cedar River and lies some 20 miles to 30 kilometers to the north of Iowa City. While floods devastated much of the city in 2008, 2016, and 2020, in recent years it is much revitalized with new businesses springing up all the time. Once primarily known as the Industrial City, a burgeoning arts and culture scene has since developed. The excellent museums and theaters on offer. One of its most popular attractions is the National Czech and Slovak Museum and Library, which looks at the unique history, heritage, and culture of many of the city's residents. In addition to this, the African American Historical Museum and the Cedar Rapids Museum of Art are well worth checking out. The latter boast the world's largest collection of the Grant Wood painting. The New Bow City Market is not to be missed. It has plenty of shops and cafes and regular host community events and cultural shows. So now, for the question part of this video. Me, Udian, will be asking our guest, Dashita, 5 questions about what we learned today in the slides I've created here. So let's see how smart of a friend I really have. Okay, so now for the question segment of this video. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now let's go to questions with Deshita. Number 1, what is the capital of Iowa?
Des Moines.
Good job. Number 2, fill in the blank. Iowa is the blank state of the USA.
I would say it's the 29th.
Good job. Number 3, what is the approximate population of Iowa?
Was it 3.21 million?
Good job. Number 4, what 2 rivers border Iowa? This one might be a little tricky.
I think one of them was the Missouri,
Mm-hmm.
and the other one was the Mississippi.
Good job. The Missouri and Mississippi River do border Iowa. Number 5, what animal is on the Iowa flag?
The bald eagle.
Good job. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you get an alert on our next video. Remember to like, comment, and share, and remember to always keep your brains moving. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!